Have you ever noticed, while sitting on a plastic chair, that this chair might be made from discarded polythene? Yes, the polythene and plastic that are useless to us and dangerous for the environment become raw materials worth millions for some factories. The entire process of turning polythene into a chair can be divided into two main stages. First, waste plastic is converted into new raw material or pellets. Second, these pellets are shaped into chairs using molds. This journey begins at garbage dumps. Tons of plastic are collected from dumping grounds and recycling centers around the world and brought to factories. Rough polythene bags, bottles, and other plastic waste are the main raw materials. The dirtier or wetter the plastic is, the harder it becomes to process. The collected plastic is thoroughly cleaned and then placed into a large furnace or container. Under controlled heat and the supervision of skilled workers, the plastic slowly melts and turns into a thick, sticky liquid. This molten plastic is then pressed flat using heavy tools. Once it cools and hardens, it is broken into smaller pieces with large hammers. These pieces are fed into another machine whose job is to crush the plastic again and turn it into tiny granules. Inside the machine, the melted plastic is pushed through a narrow hole under high heat and pressure, just like toothpaste coming out of a tube. As the plastic comes out in thin strips, rotating cutters chop it into small grains called plastic pellets. These pellets are the new raw material of recycled plastic. Their quality is carefully checked, and if there are no defects, they are packed into large bags and sent to another factory called an injection molding plant. At the second factory, the pellets are poured into a powerful machine known as an injection molding machine. This is one of the most advanced technologies used in plastic manufacturing. Inside the machine, heaters and a rotating screw melt the pellets again at high temperatures. Now the plastic is ready to become a chair, but shaping it requires immense force. The molds used are made of extremely strong steel because they must withstand enormous injection pressure. The molten plastic is injected into the mold at very high speed, filling every corner and detail within seconds. This process is carefully controlled. If the speed is too slow, the plastic may harden too early. If it is too fast, the mold can be damaged. After the mold is filled, cold water flows through cooling channels inside the mold to quickly cool and harden the plastic into the correct shape. Once the plastic solidifies, a new chair is formed. After the chair is removed from the mold, final finishing and quality checks begin. Skilled workers attach the chair legs, trim off extra plastic, and inspect the chair for strength and durability. In this way, a chair is fully prepared for commercial sale. Within just a few minutes, ordinary polythene bags or plastic bottles from garbage heaps are transformed inside a factory into a completely new and usable plastic chair. This is not just a manufacturing process, it is an incredible way of protecting the environment using modern technology. It is a perfect example of human creativity, engineering skill, and responsibility toward nature.